guess who's unemployed again? Me. Now it means two things, maybe three. One, obviously I need a new job. Two, get my last paycheck. And three, I can unfollow like the creepy guy. Also, I'd like to point out it's really funny because I saw this coming, but also I was literally in the middle of searching up jobs. But they beat me to it. And you know what? Thank God. I didn't have to have that awkward conversation of being let go. It's what's the thing? Above my hands? It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. Yeah. So may the unemployed diaries resume. I'm going to be responsible and actually like start looking for a job now. You see that? Your application has been submitted. Yeah. It's Friday, Saturday, day 4 of unemployment. And I need to go out and get pads. This looks like ass. You know what? Whatever. I have applied to my 5th job today. But the important thing is that I'm trying. It is the day 7 of unemployment. I don't know how many I have left in me. One of the things I was thinking about that's like, because this unemployment shit is like really not doing things for me. It's like I'm eating Pizza Pocket. I'm also watching Ashley and Amber, the beautiful twin sisters. Specifically Amber's video. They're like my favorite YouTubers right now. Anyways, how do you eat Pizza Pockets? I usually eat it like vertically. I don't know, I kind of want to eat it illegally. This is what unemployment does to me.
This is what I'm gonna be shitting out later.
Ew! Wild. Okay, I have another audition to do. Like I had multiple. I have my flower, and that's my prop. Don't ask. Hi, I'm Dindizon, and I'm 5'2". Hi, I'm Dindizon, and I'm 5'2". Hi, I'm Dindizon, and I'm 5'2". And I'm 5'2". I should do it. If you were ever wondering what an unemployed, struggling actor does, it's usually something like that. Someone please hire me or book or like give me a role, please. I think we're like a month into the unemployment and I'm still unemployed. However, they did announce that the capybara Billy Bears are back in stock online and in store. I have 8 million things I need to do today, but you know what I'm gonna do is get that capybara Billy Bear. It's called priorities. It's a good thing I called because of the stupid weather. Their power is out. They can't even cash people out right now. Like, that was the worst audition I've ever found this year. Should I just try to go to Billy Bear? And I'm this close.
That's not your knee.
I swear there was like a brush. You look like a Chester. Oh, that's perfect. The name's Chester. I'm gonna regret this name. Oh my God.
I got to choose my own friends and make her myself.
It's me and Chester. I feel like I'm taking home my firstborn. Chester's genderless.
I know.
I don't remember where I parked. Is it this side? I ended up filming the whole audition wrong, but I got this. So this is Chester. This is my child. It's day. Fuck if I know, since I've been unemployed. I got my first rejection email. I drove to the airport via the fucking highway for the first time. Never doing that again. That's all I have going for me. You know what? It could be worse. At least I have Chester. And I have a Jungkook and Jimin PC coming in the mail. Another day, another audition. It's calling for an East Asian beauty pageant type girl. None of which I am of those things. But I really appreciate that she really thought I could book an East Asian beauty pageant role. 'Cause clearly I'm beauty pageant worthy. Apparently. Today I'm dropping off the sewing machine. I need gas, and I've never gotten gas on my own before. I made notes, but I'm still scared. Of course, the day I decide to finally get gas is the day it rains. Ugh. Well, I'm doing it. I'm just a girl. On today's agenda, I have to pick up my parents and my tita and tito from the airport. But first, I have to go to Walmart because apparently TXT has cereal. Assuming that Canada has it. This is the moment of truth. Yep. It's exactly as I thought. I expected this though. I got 2 chicken barbecue wraps. I don't actually know when their flight comes in, so I've just been sitting here for the past 40 minutes? I don't even know that song. I need to be careful because I'm wearing a white shirt. I kind of have to pee. Not to be dramatic, but I just might piss myself. A bitch is sweaty. Technically, I got a job for a day. I booked something, so that's great. So apparently I was emailed last night. I did not get this email. So he called me and he was like, girl, what happened? And I was like, I don't know. Within an hour of this phone call, I got, I think it was like 6 outfits. That was like 50 minutes, like under an hour since I had the phone call. I literally jumped out of bed to do it. Your girl is employed for a day. A win is a win, okay? Ignore crusty RG. Good morning. It's my first and last day at work. I'm kind of confused where to go. I hope I parked in the right spot. I'm probably right, but I'm not sure. I'm like, I want to say like 20 minutes early to my call time. So that's really good actually. Should I just head in? Probably. I don't know where I'm going. It's so natural, but I look 10 times better. actually love the makeup. That's what happened.
He does a feed mask.
Together longer.
But hashtag blessed.
Hashtag blessed.
I don't care.
Is that a butt on your phone?
What?
Looks like there's a butt on your phone.
No, it's a heart, but it broke. Bye, it was nice meeting you. Okay, we wrapped, and I made some cool friends that I'm probably never gonna see again, but you know, that's just how it is. So I have the makeup on because, I don't know, for the first time in so long, I feel good with makeup on because I don't know how to do my own makeup. But it was good, everyone was cool. Yeah, that's it. Today is my mom's birthday and I'm trying to find a strawberry shortcake. It's like raining and like there was like some hail. I don't have a hood. It's okay.
Shit, they don't have it.
This looks close enough. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Are you 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56?
57.
You're 57? Shit! I thought you were 50.
Yeah.
No, you're 56.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I thought I'm 57.
Okay, good. You're only 56.
Okay.
Yay! Another day, another audition sleigh. Do I look like a unique and quirky 16-year-old? I hope so.
Alright, I've been this up and I'm 5'2". Bring it to the chorus.
Wow, it's not even even.
I opened his audience.
Oh, I just felt a blood clump.
Sorry, it's hard without nails.
I like picking at my thumbs where it's like so short it hurts. 1, 2, 3. Wow. I got this one.
You're so good, bro. You're so good. Because you were even right for the last time.
Oh my god, this one's cool too.
Yeah. I'm just gonna like lay it flat. I don't know where to put them, but.
So I bought this one. It's like a fake one. This is the real one. Like even the colors is different. Ah, and this one's thicker. You know what time it is. Another day, another audition sleigh. Another day, another audition sleigh. This time it's a voiceover thingy.
Oh my God!
I took the wrong bus, so now I have to walk. It's nice out, so never mind. I just need positive vibes for this callback. I regret doing that. Why did I do that? And I'm done. I think I did good. Like, I did what they asked. They like my pants. I like my pants. I bought it for 20 bucks. We'll just see if I got it. Good vibes, good vibes. I got a new tripod. Like 20 bucks. This is so cool. Now I can be a TikToker. What the heck? This is so swaggy. I can like... Wait. That is so freaking cool. Bye. I'm so confused. It looks upside down.
If you end up hurting yourself, I'm gonna laugh.
Me too.
Oh. Oh.
Ah.
Mm.
Whoa, Jill, did you see that?
Tori, sorry.
Where this is? You know where this is too.
Whenever it's on, oh my god. That shit's comfy.
Thing.
Yeah.
You want me to stop?
Yeah.
Here, make sure your hair stays in place, and then twos. So you want to jump your legs, move. Okay, so this way, you want to go
Right, left,
forward.
right.
So in 1, 2, and 3. Here, you step left out, hook, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7.
How do the diaries do that?
Cat can.
Well,
You have to.
I can't
I think you have to do your lower back, girl.
I can't do it. I can't. It's not moving. It's not mobile. It's not mobile. It's not mobile.
Again,
I'm
that's
not an
okay.
answer.
That's okay. Think, 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 think. Oh.
Mom and Dad.
And then we both go like this. But tonight we will steal the moon.
You're boring.